gosh, this is crazy.
Oh my God, I've never seen anything like this. And that's the first we've seen one of those, right?
Yeah. Wow, deep pantry.
Yeah,
Very
that's
nice.
You gotta see this. I'm Tom.
And I'm Cherie.
And we're EnjoyTheJourney.Life.
Tom, there it is.
We are back at the 2022 Hershey RV show.
Yes. I love it up here. The weather's been perfect.
Oh my gosh, it's sunny and beautiful, lower 80s today.
Blue skies, a few puffy white clouds. Continuing our RV tours.
We finally found it.
We found it. We were so hoping it would be here, and it's here.
The 2-story Grand Salem Villa.
I've never seen anything like it.
Have you heard of a 2-story RV? You gotta see this.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
What is it?
Oh, there's a
long staircase.
Long staircase.
Oh.
Oh, dang. What? Okay. Oh.
Oh.
Okay, don't make fun of me. So it has 2 rooms. So there's 2 rooms here. Literally, you could sleep 6 people or more if you needed to.
Just up here?
Just up here.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Look at this. Oh my God. I've never seen anything like this. That is insane.
This is your new office, Tom.
Oh, and this.
Up here. This is your new office.
This is my office?
Yeah. Like a jail.
Or jail.
It's a jail.
Right. So this is for those very large families that want to RV. Like,
no kidding.
You got 11 kids, this might be the RV for you.
11 kids.
Or you have a lot of guests.
But I think kids would really dig this because they'd have their own space.
Oh my gosh.
This is really cool.
Oh, it's the master bedroom back here.
Oh, underneath the kids' bedroom? Shh. Underneath the kids' bedroom?
I guess you gotta be quiet.
You gotta be quiet. No.
So wait a second, don't the adults get to have fun too?
I know, no jumping on the bed, no tickling. Because the kids will hear you.
That's funny. But only one of us gets a nightstand.
You guys found it.
Yes, we found it.
Yeah.
Hey,
It's pretty intense.
it's Mike.
It is.
You see what I was saying about only one of us gets a side table?
Screw that.
And there's actually underneath there though. But I kind of like the decor in here. It's kind of nice. It's light and bright.
It's better.
Look at the drawer space in here.
Yeah, huge. Like, it isn't even as shallow as ours are in Grand Design. I mean, Grand Design, they're like this shallow. This is like twice that and deep.
Yeah,
Nice.
that is nice. Although, now, something I'm looking at here, there is a quality issue here. So some people think we're like making like some money off of these RV companies by doing these tours, and far from it. We are sharing them with you guys that can't be at these shows and want to see what these new RVs look like.
Right.
So we're pointing out the good, the bad, and the ugly. I mean, because there's some stuff we like and some stuff it's not good.
Not so quality. And we'll show you.
We will definitely show you guys.
And I have a detailed eye for this kind of stuff.
Cherie's like the RV critic.
Yes.
But that's a good thing because, you know, we've been full-time in our RV for so many years.
So we know what to look for.
Right. So something that's cheesy or hard to get around or scratchy, like we said before, RVs are dangerous and you have to be ready to deal with stuff like that.
Right. Yep.
So, shall we look at the rest of it?
Let's do it.
All right.
I like the big window here. This is a really nice window.
Yeah, it's
I like
huge.
big windows.
Yes. The more windows, the better. Is that an office?
No, it's a bathroom.
Oh, okay.
The master does not have a bathroom. This is everybody's bathroom.
Oh, there's only one bathroom in this?
Yeah, it sleeps 20, but bathroom for one.
All right. Oh my gosh. But I mean, this is a nice bathroom. But people be fighting for the bathroom. Lots of space in these.
Okay, here's a plus. Drawers in a bathroom. Our Momentum doesn't even have one drawer. This is big. I mean, we gotta keep our stuff somewhere. You know, like hair dryers and that kind of stuff. So, I like the counter space in here more than the Momentum. And a nice big mirror.
That is nice.
Nice big mirror here with proper lighting for putting makeup on if you do that, or fixing your hair. It's proper lighting.
It's good you mentioned that because I didn't notice that.
Right, so usually they put this overhead lighting right here and it's behind your head and you have shadows all over your face. It's terrible lighting. This is proper.
And that's the first we've seen one of those, right?
Yeah.
We have not seen
Yeah,
that.
and some of the design they're using, it looks really nice. Yeah, I mean improvement. There's two drawers. That's not a drawer.
Oh, but you can put, you got room for a few things.
A few little things
right there.
in there, yep.
Which, good use of space,
Yes.
every available space. But what I was going to mention is that that there's one bathroom and 20 people are in here, so you're gonna be fighting for that bathroom.
Nice shower size here. So, I guess that's not wired for fan use. Oh, it's up there. Interesting. Okay.
There's the jail up there.
You said that's where you wanted your office?
Right.
Jail. Cheap counters, but I think that's fine. I like the color schemes they're using better. I wanted to look over here in the pantry. Wow, deep pantry.
Yeah,
Very
that's
nice. Yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah. I like the big windows, but I guess this is a
Park model, destination model.
So why is that different for a park model as opposed to like having it flat? Space? I mean, like length?
I'm also thinking of fuel efficiency or aerodynamics, but I don't know why that would matter.
The ceilings are decent. I don't like those brackety looking things they've got there, but you know, to each their own.
Oh yeah.
Lots of nice storage. They don't have the sliding drawers. No. But some good deep drawers here, plus the pantry. It's some nice storage. But yeah, I like the ones that have like the slide out drawers where you can access everything.
Right.
And you know, ugly RV furniture. Gag.
This is probably another bed right here.
Could be, yeah.
And then you got some theater seating for two. Some folks doing an order right here at the show, getting special show pricing, right?
Nice.
Okay.
Congratulations. Nice little coffee area or a bar, whatever you'd want to use it for. Personally, it'd probably be like put the Berkey here in the coffee pot.
Yeah.
So I like how this has like higher cabinets, unlike our Momentum where we can't fit anything underneath it. So,
right, good notice.
And the depth of the counters are really nice too. The Momentum's like so shallow to where yes, you can't put anything. Even our air fryer hangs off the edge. So this is another good thing to look out for.
What about the texture of that? That's kind of different.
It is different. I feel like this would get scratched easy. You know, people end up using knives and slipping, but you know, do it on the couch, whatever.
Well, do you suppose they do it for less slippage? Like if you were to...
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, I do like it better than the heavy duty stuff. I was even mentioning to Tom that sometimes they have these sink inserts here that are heavy, like the countertops. What is it, like marble or something? And if anything like that dropped on your toe would be a goner.
Yeah.
A goner. So, yeah.
And that is a nice size island.
That is a good size island. But I want to mention again what I've mentioned before is that if for more counter space, can you please, manufacturers, listen. put the sink to one side, so we have more counter space. Maybe it doesn't matter to those that are just camping on weekends or seasonally, but those that live full-time need counter space for regular cooking. So thank you for listening. Wow, did you see the price on this?
Yeah.
$67,981. I'm shocked.
It tells me that there's the problem why you see all the cheap, you know, kind of corners that were cut.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it might be great for like a weekending, if you're doing like a seasonal spot, but when I see some of those quality issues, I can expect there's to be some repairs.
Yeah.
I mean, $67,000 on a huge unit like this. And if you've got 10 kids in there, they're going to tear it apart.
Yeah, they are.
So, but, you know, I'm impressed by the two-story part of it.
Yeah,
so,
I am too.
You know.
It's innovative, it's being creative, doing something different, breaking out of the norm. I like that. Yeah, we need to do more of that.
I would suggest a little better construction on the cabinets and another bathroom. Wow.
Right.
Another bathroom.
Another bathroom. He sleeps 11, bathroom for 1.
Yeah, did we really count it up? Like 2 on the couch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if you needed to, you could put down pallets and that. There's a lot of extra space up there. So I guess it depends on how big the kids are, you know. But and then the 2 adults would be okay. So adults would be 2, and then there was 4 in one room, 2 in another. So
6 upstairs.
Yeah.
2 adults and 2. I'm counting 10. But that's like minimum.
There could be a pull-out sofa bed, and then there's 2 more, but 1 bathroom. So you know they're trying. I give them credit for trying.
Right, innovative design. Another tip, you know, put another 10 or 20 grand into making it better and higher quality.
Yes, please. The drawers were so flimsy, and that's a no.
And you could price it under $100K, and that would still be a deal for a rig like
because
this.
a family that's really that big and this would fit their needs, they'll pay the price. You know, between 67 and under $100K. I mean, they'll find that extra.
Right.
Yeah, I feel like meet the needs, but give it some quality.
Definitely.
Yeah. But this will fit some families' needs.
What do you guys think of the Salem Grand Villa? Let us know in the comments.
If you're a large family and the kids are eating you out of house and home, maybe this would be the best solution.
Right,
for you.
Downsize, but still enough sleeping room for all the kids.
Yeah, because sleeping room is important.
Let us know down in the comments what you think of the Salem Grand Villa. Would you buy one of these for yourselves and your family? Let us know. If you guys are brand new here,
be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for us.
And ring that little bell. And then right over here is our entire list of all of our RV tours, so you can click right over here and watch all of them.